Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the Florida homeowner insurance crisis and what you can do as a consumer to see if you can save a little bit of money. So stay tuned. Hello, Sabina Robertson, broker owner of Sea House Realty, serving this beautiful panhandle here, 38 to Destin. If you have any questions about this area, please always feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here and I would love to hear your comments below. So let's talk about homeowner insurance. Just last week, I had posted an article on Facebook from Florida Realtors that was announcing 10 companies that filed 0% increase in premiums for 2024 and 9 companies that had filed a rate reduction. So that is really some amazing good news because Governor DeSantis is trying really hard to get control on regulating these Florida insurance policies and making sure that consumers are taken care of. It could take a little time, but they are trying to stabilize these rates. So let's talk about, in the meantime, what you can do. After this post on my Facebook page, one of my clients reached out to me and said, "Oh my gosh, Sabina, our homeowner insurance is so high. What can we do?" So I put her together with one of my insurance agents who was able to save her a significant amount of money on their insurance policy. Sometimes it has to do with the broker doing a little bit more due diligence and you are shopping around. But I do like to caution you to make sure you read the policy carefully. This is a true story. This happened to us before we switched over companies. But one of our rental properties, the roof was destroyed due to a tornado. And when we tried to replace it, we found out that our policy at the time was depreciating the roof at a regular rate. So the money we got for a new roof was not what we anticipated. Had we known this, probably should have read the policy better, our fault. We would have had been able to cover the whole roof. So please always read your policies and compare apples with apples. Don't just shop around for the best price, but you also want to make sure you trust your agent to guide you and explain these policies to you so that you as a consumer can make a good decision. When you are purchasing a home, there are several things you have to look at because there are items that it can reduce your insurance premium. For example, do you have all impact hurricane glass, all the windows, all the doors? Now you can get a deduction on your insurance. What about your roof? What's the age? Does it have a moisture barrier? Oh my gosh, there are so many things. And that again is a conversation you need to have with your trusted insurance agent to see what and how can we save money on this premium. Another story, a townhome sometimes have the homeowner association covers the exterior of the building and you need less coverage because you're only insuring the interior, the wall-to-wall. It's called wall-to-wall coverage. So, there is so many different angles that you can pay attention to hopefully save you some money. Lastly, if you have, for example, State Farm, and you have the car insurance with State Farm, they sometimes offer you a homeowner insurance policy that has a discounted rate. Now, not all homes can be covered by State Farm, but most certainly check in with State Farm or your car insurance to see if it is covered. I don't believe Progressive covers homeowner insurance, so, but it's still worth to check. USDA, if you're military, they also give you a discount if you have your car insurance and the homeowner insurance policy. Always do your due diligence and shop around, compare apples to apples, and hopefully it will save you some money. Lastly, if you currently have an insurance policy and you're paying quite a bit of a premium, like for example, my past client, you can get and cancel that policy and reissue it with a new one. And they will give you a reissuing credit from now until the end of the policy. But before you do that, make sure that that policy can be canceled and check it out carefully. I hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, and goodbye.